Well, I remember So once upon a time, Mangere was considered to be out in the country. And there was no great big airport. There was just a little aero club out there. So it didn't have so many roads, didn't have so many people. It didn't have so many Pacific Island people either. There were a lot of Palangis and a lot of Māori people and a lot of Chinese people in this area. Chinese people who grew fruit and vegetables for the city markets. So huge changes to this area.
The other big change in the area was we didn't have the Mangere Bridge. We just had the bridge where everybody fishes off. And when I came to school in the mornings, it took me about 5 minutes to get here because there was no traffic. It was just greenhouses all round the school. There were no houses at all.
I remember I think probably we have to work on our technology. Because there's so many new things going on in the world of technology, we have to have that in primary schools. Well, there were a lot of children from Mangere Bridge came when Mangere Bridge School got too big. They built Favona Primary School, and a lot of the people who first came here had been pupils at Mangere Bridge. I absolutely love Favona, and that's why I'm old, but I don't want to leave it.